So the four candidates for city bird this year are the barn owl, barn swallow, western grebe, and peregrine falcon. The barn owl is one of the most beautiful of the owls. It's pretty small and light colored, and it has a heart-shaped facial disc. Barn swallows are a small songbird that are shiny blue and chestnut brown. They migrate here from their wintering grounds in Central and South America. And a lot of people will see them hunting over grassy fields or over water where they swoop around catching insects on the wing. And the peregrine falcon is a falcon species, and they can be seen around the shores of Vancouver hunting ducks and shorebirds, or even downtown Vancouver nesting on buildings and hunting pigeons in the middle of the city. The other candidate for city bird is the elegant western grebe. So this is a bird that hangs around English Bay all winter long and then heads to the interior of British Columbia to nest on lakes. These four candidates hopefully will raise awareness about bird species at risk, and also just give us a chance to celebrate birds and all the great birds that call Vancouver home.